Hello, remote warriors. Nathaniel here, your guide to the digital nomad lifestyle. If you're tuning in, chances are you're on a quest to ditch the office life for good. Who needs a water cooler, right? With companies jumping on the remote bandwagon like it's a Black Friday sale, 2024 is your year to shine from your sofa. Let's dive into how you can land that dream job without changing out of your pajamas. First up, the digital playgrounds for job seekers. Sites like We Work Remotely, Remote.co, FlexJobs, Indeed, and Monster.com are like the supermarkets for remote gigs. These platforms are bursting with jobs in every field imaginable, from coding wizards to wizarding teachers. But don't just wander the aisles of these job supermarkets. Zoom in on niche sites if you've got a particular passion. Tech geeks, AngelList is your promised land. And for the creatives, Dribbble and Behance are your canvases for career masterpieces. Tailoring your search is like finding the secret menu at your favorite cafe. Less time, more goodies. Networking. It's like social media with a tie. On LinkedIn, your profile is your billboard. Make it big and bold. Connect, engage, and maybe even slide into some DMs, professionally of course. Remember, sometimes it's not just what you know, but also who you know, and who knows you back. Pro tip, keep your digital wardrobe stylish. First impressions are virtual now. Spruce up those profiles like they're going on a first date. Make sure they scream "hire me," in a professional tone, of course. And remember, don't get discouraged. The remote job hunt is a marathon, not a sprint. Unless it's a sprint marathon. Either way, you've got this. Start clicking, stay quirky, and your dream job might just be a meme away. Every click is a step closer to your home office paradise. Keep at it, and soon you'll be the king or queen of your remote castle. If this guide brought a smile and some hope, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more fun insights. Until next time, keep rocking those home office vibes. Cheers.